Welcome to our first ever kitty cat show jumping. Ah! And today our contestant is Pancake. Say hi. Whatever. And this is our jump. It's a little piece of cardboard. Okay, so we shall release the wild beast. Okay, go. Yay! Now, Patty, come get it. Come get it. Come get it. Come on. Over. You see it? Yay! Stop now. Our second contestant for round 2 today is Lily. Go, kitty cat. Yay! Come on. Yay! Good job.
Okay.
Now our second round is double jump. We have 2 jumps. Let's see who does the best. Our first contestant is Penny. Go, buddy! All by himself, too. Okay, that's good. Now our second contestant for round 2 is Lily. Go, Lily. No. No.
Okay, well that's not gonna work.
Come on.
Oh, yay!
No,
Good
bend
job.
over.
Yay!
Oh.